We inside the box. Got the seal chambers all done. And I just gotta vacuum it out. And then I gotta fill in all these screw holes with some filler, sand it down. And then on the inside here, did a little 45 action, kinda sorta. Actually, just a nice little mountain flange for the top and the bottom. I plan on cragging down into and up into. And as far as this goes right here, this little ripple, I'm just gonna fill it in with some latex based PL. Wherever it is, right there. It's latex based. It is actually PL 200. Nothing super strong, nothing fancy. Because like I said, I want to be able to possibly take this back out. But I do want a good seal. I figure PL is much stronger than caulk. We got to have some type of glue. And then, oh, I got a little knot right there. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's coming along. I can hear myself in the box. I love it. Rounded over the edges. Y'all can see it's nice and smooth. I still got to sand it. Sealed everything in. That's some old Sky High dinner. And I got some more goodies that came in earlier. Oh, you know what? Before I leave, let me go on and lock this down. I'm tripping. Didn't even see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I went and bought more screws earlier today. And, of course, I ran out yesterday. So I'm all over the place. But I know, you know, just want it to be nice and solid. But let me go on and screw that in. I'm up here going crazy. I got the screw holes filled in with screws. Little bondo I had left over, so I went on and just filled all the holes in. A few up there I'm gonna touch over again, but for the most part, this is just to keep everything kind of sort of nice and smooth and make it look somewhat presentable. It's solid, no rattle, rattle, rattle. I've been beating on it all day. I'm silly, I know. And for those that were wondering how this lip will work out, here it is. So that's the lip. If I take this level and put right here, it's perfectly flush. And on the inside, same thing. I know I got a little up there. I gotta fill it, but that's pretty much my seam. And then up top, burn marks with the saw. And then here's the other one. So one on this side, one on that side, and then I'm inside the box. But right here, of course, it's not permanent. It's not written in stone yet. I still want to get the measurements for the port. I didn't work myself until the evening. Got off work, chilled out for about maybe 20 minutes, ate a little something, and came on out. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.